The three most important concepts I learned in this course were brand voice, brand trust, and features versus benefits. In this interview with Richard Coyne, I learned about the history and the advertising philosophy of Doyle Dane Bernbach with insights from the iconic Bill Bernbach himself. This was applied to my coursework to show the process Doyle Dane Bernbach used to develop Volkswagen's brand voice. In my career, I may apply this philosophy to create effective advertising strategies. Patrick Hanlon defines brand voice and provides examples of brands that have thrived from using it effectively, such as Glacier. With its customer-centric brand voice that matches its unique product selection, Glacier translates its products into an articulate vision that resonates with the modern woman. This applied to my coursework as an example to compare with Volkswagen in developing brand voice. In my career, I may apply this to develop a voice that's authentic to a brand and relevant to its target audience. Vanessa Mitchell explains why trust is more vital today than it's ever been to brand survival, how authenticity is key to creating trust, and how to bounce back after a breach of trust. I applied this to my coursework to show that a brand's ability to recuperate trust relies on its actions. In my career, applying this information will help me to create work that's truly representative of a client's brand. While Derek Lauritsen explains brand trust from the context of consumer data, the strategies he shares are applicable to earning brand trust in general. I learned 5 ways brands can win consumer trust and the adverse effects of taking inadequate action following a breach of trust. I applied this to my coursework to show the approach Facebook took to regain trust after its data breach scandal. In my career, I may apply this to create true customer connections with brand strategies that revolve around values, consistency, and trust. Asia Frost breaks down the difference between features, advantages, and benefits, then explains how to sell benefits rather than features, and why quality trumps quantity when explaining benefits. I applied this to my coursework by explaining how the link between capability and problem or desire transforms features into benefits, then related it to real-world examples. In my career, I may apply this to properly map features into benefits. Dan Shewan uses real-world examples to explain the difference between features and benefits, their application in ad copy, and what to consider when determining whether to use a feature or benefit-driven approach for promotional content. This was applied to my coursework by being used as an example to compare benefits versus features against those from the Volkswagen case study. In my career, I may apply this to decide which approach makes the most sense as it relates to the business, the product, and user intent.